Guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to change date, time and region in Redmi 13C device. So for this all you guys have to do, just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have option of additional setting here. Just click here. As you see, we have date and time on the very top, so just tap here. If you want to set the time automatically, you can enable this feature, and if you want to set time manually, so just disable it and then go to date. Then set the date through here and then click OK. After that, set time from here and then click OK. Make sure that you guys can set time zone automatically enable so that the time will be set automatically. After that, go back, and if you want to set the region, so just click on region. As you see, we have a lot of regions here. Just select any region you want. Like I am selecting Afghanistan. Okay, now as you see, the region is now changed, and go back, and here is the region is Afghanistan. Okay, now click again to set it to Pakistan. We can also search here. Just click on Pakistan, and then as you see, the region is now switched to Pakistan. So this is how we can set date, time and change region in Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.